Hello everybody, welcome back to my new video. This is Laura and this week I'm going to show you the steps to make this beautiful bracelet. It is very easy to make and you can use the bead colors you like the most. Just be sure you use 2 different sizes. Isn't it beautiful? I love it! By the way, I'm using wire, but it can also be done with a thread. The result will be just as beautiful as mine. You will need about 60 centimeters of wire or thread. Insert 4 beads, hold the last one and drag the other 3 to the middle of the wire. Do it slowly and you won't have any problem. Thread the wire on the bead you left at the beginning. The side you have on the right goes to the left and the left to the right. Little by little, tighten it until the bead joins to the others. Once you're done, you will have something which looks like a flower. First, you insert a small bead and then a bigger one on the left wire. And a big bead and a small one on the right side. Just like so. And now, insert a small bead on the left wire and thread it through. Stretch one side first and then the other, and join the new beads with the others. It's important to keep the wire straight. Bit by bit, you'll get something like this. Okay, let's repeat this. Insert a small bead and then a bigger one on the left wire and a big bead and a small bead on the right. Insert a small bead in the left wire and thread it through. Stretch one side, stretch the other and join the beads with the others. All you have to do is repeat this and remember, always thread the wire on the small bead. Easy peasy! Once you have your wrist length, it will be almost done. As you can see, the beginning is slightly different to the end. To fix it, all you have to do is to insert a small bead on each side and then thread the wire on a third bead. Both ends are now equal. If you are using thread, just tie a knot, but if you are using wire, you will want to start twisting. Twist it about 2 centimeters long and when you're finished, use your pliers to make a loop. By the way, you can get your supplies in La Antigua Casa Sala. I'll let you the link in the information box below. Cut the excessive of wire and flatten it with your pliers. Add a jump ring and a lobster clasp to close your bracelet. You can leave it just like this because it's looking amazing, but you can also add a pendant to make it more fancy. I put this pendant at the end of the bracelet, but do it whatever you want. This bracelet is finished. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know in the comments below because I would love to know your opinions. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.